I will show you a 2-bedroom option with pool in a quiet area and central. Everything is around. You can walk to the shop, you can walk to the restaurant, and you can also enjoy the solarium and the pool. Come! This is the pool for the swimmer lover. You can do 1 and 2 laps and you do like your 100 kilometers of pool. This way you can enjoy the grill and a lovely dinner or lunch with your family around. If you follow me, you will see the solarium. Meditation spot. Find the balance, find the quietness, and enjoy it. Let's start to the first floor for the gym. Here, you have a small gym, but you can run, you can bike, or you can lift. And with a tree view, it's really meditating place. Like you will feel the vibe. It's really quiet again. For this beautiful lock off option. Why lock off? Because you have a door here, but you also have another door here, so you can be two and independent. And with a big salon. The big salon, the good of the big salon is that the sofa that you see here, it can be a bed also for 2 persons. So it's a small secret, but you're gonna enjoy it. You have a natural light all the afternoon and in the morning in the desk, so if you want to work. But also, if you like to work and you prefer outdoor vibe, there is. With the balcony, you can take your computer and the Wi-Fi goes until here. So imagine yourself, you sitting here, you have your computer that I don't have because I never work, but you should have one, and you can work and you don't hear anything. That's amazing. You also have the kitchen. The kitchen comes fully furnished, ready for you to cook. And if you don't know how to cook, it's okay. I can provide you the chef service. I don't cook, neither, but if you want, it's possible. And if you cook, it's not gonna smell in your house because you're done. I know you don't know how to use it, but it's pretty, super good. You have the lock-off option. You have your king bed for dreaming. You have windows. You have the door to access out without your parents knowing that you go out. You have the TV. You have a lot of place to store your clothes. And for long dress, you do have a spot. Definitely because it's a lock-off, you have your own bathroom with shower and toilet. Let's have a look. Shower, mirror to see that you're the most beautiful, and the toilet is behind the door. The second room, you can access to the toilet without accessing the room. You have the shower, you have the toilet again behind the door, and you have the mirror. And from this door, you arrive right to the master room. Master room with a lot of lights. All room come with a fan, with AC, so you have your own fresh air. And on this one, you have access to the balcony.